We're at Biggs Harley Davidson, and today we're looking at a 2021 Harley Davidson Heritage Softail in Blackjack Metallic. So close up you can see that it's got metal flake in the paint. This is one of my favorite colors because it's not quite black. Beautiful spoked rims, nice tall windshield, taller handlebars, really comfortable riding position. We've got the 114 cubic inch engine, rider floorboards, beautiful chrome exhaust. These are also some of my favorite saddlebags. They're leather, but they're hard mounted, they're structured, and they lock. And they have these beautiful studs that Harley changed the Heritage line to. And this bike also has ABS. Extremely low miles, practically a mint used bike. Come check it out. We're at Biggs Harley Davidson, open 6 days a week for test rides.